Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Focus Info Voice.乃木坂 46 fifth generation new song One Day That Song music video released. The center is the youngest member of the group, 16 years old Aya Goa. The music video for the fifth generation song Itsu no Vi no Hai no Ai no Ata, including乃木坂 46 new single Monopoly, released on December 6th, will be released on乃木坂 46 official YouTube channel at noon of 27th November. The theme of the music video for One Day That Song, which was shot in Kanagawa Prefecture at the end of October, is awakening. During the seaside photo shoot of the group's youngest member, Aya Goa, 16 years, who will be the center of the fifth generation song for